Here's your Storm Track 5 weather forecast. Now, meteorologist Ricky Matthews.
Well, happy Sunday to everyone out there. Hopefully you're having a very nice and wonderful holiday weekend. As we go through today, if you have plans to head outside, you're going to like the weather forecast as well. Temperatures warming up nicely this afternoon. Let's watch the sun come up over Bays Mountain in Kingsport, Tennessee. Around 6:20 or so is when the first peaks of sunshine appear on the horizon, and then the sun comes up around 7:01 nowadays, 7:20. And then the live look outside right now from Bays Mountain shows sun shining brightly in the eastern sky. A lot of the haze in the sky this morning, though, and that'll continue through today. The heat and humidity, a nice cold front to come through to clear out the air. That'll happen later in the week. How about 66 right now in Wise, Abingdon, 65 towards the Rogersville area, 61 in Jonesville. We'll say 61 in Elizabethton this morning, and around 65 towards the Richlands region. Through today, we'll be tracking the heat because it'll continue through today. Nice warm weather around mid to upper 80s. A few showers possible that we'll be tracking on Live Max Radar. But your Labor Day forecast, it's looking pretty good as we go into tomorrow. Nice Labor Day coming up across our region. Now, nothing on Live Max Radar this morning. Nice clear skies across our area. High pressure has been dominating our weather for the past couple of days, but it's starting to weaken a little bit now. And as it weakens, an area of low pressure has been throwing some moisture and little pulses of energy across portions of North Carolina. That's going to continue through today. We'll see a little bit of the pulses kind of riding up towards the mountain areas. That's why they'll have the best chance for any shower activity this afternoon. Most of us will probably stay dry, but wouldn't rule out one or two little stray showers as we go through today. Around a 20 or 30% chance through the afternoon hours into tonight. Showers that we have around will die off. Skies will be clear. A nice day as you wake up Monday morning. Maybe a little bit of cloud cover in the morning, but not too bad. Just a slight chance of rain during the afternoon. Around a 20% chance for a stray shower or storm. As we look at your severe threat tracker, it's going to stay low the next couple of days because we're not expecting any severe weather, just some hot weather across the area as temperatures continue to stay nice and mild in the upper 80s. For this afternoon, we'll say around 88 for the Tri-Cities. How about 88 in Rogersville and Greenville as well? To the east, around 84 to 75 degrees in the North Carolina mountains where the wind's going to be coming out of the east for most of the day. Around 81 in Marion. Slight chance of a pop-up storm. Around 82 in Norton and 86 in Grundy this afternoon. How about lows for tonight? I think we'll be in the low 60s. How about 64 for the Tri-Cities in Abingdon, 64 in Duffield, 66 towards Rogersville, around 60 in Boone, and 62 in Marion. How about 61 for the Clintwood area? And 60 in Norton. Just a slight chance of an isolated shower early in the overnight hours. Now, this is Tropical Storm Grace tracking off towards the west over the next couple of days. As it gets towards the Lesser Antilles, it may actually die off completely. Now, the Hurricane Center still forecasting to be a tropical storm at that time, but if you remember Tropical Storm Danny and Tropical Storm Erica, they kind of moved into this region and really got into a hostile environment where the wind shear is high, the dry air is there. It's not good for tropical cyclones. They don't like any of that, and so wouldn't shock me if Grace also dies off as we go over the next couple of days. But of course, we'll be tracking it here in the Storm Track 5 Weather Center for you and let you know where it's heading. Now, as we look at your 7-day forecast, first 3 days first, temperature staying nice and warm. A 30% chance for showers today, 20% tomorrow and Tuesday. After that, a cold front starts to approach our region. That'll give us a better chance of rain as we go later into the week. We'll say around 50% chance right now as we go into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Friday will probably be more of an early morning event than an afternoon event, but just keep that in mind if you have any plans later in this week to get outside. See a little bit of rain across our area. We need some rain. A lot of areas picked up some yesterday, but most of the area kind of stayed dry. So it was kind of a hit and miss variety yesterday.
Not a complete washout?
No. Nope.
Okay, well, that's good to hear. We can still get some last-minute summer activities in while we can.
One more jump in the pool before summer unofficially ends.
Sounds fun. Thanks, Ricky. After the break, we'll have this morning's top headlines. Don't go away.